Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be doing a really quick video on how to manually set your cut settings. So when you create a project in Easel, by default you'll have cut settings. If you go into the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on cut settings, you'll have automatic cut settings. And essentially these are cut settings that Easel generates using conservative default values for cut settings. So the feed rate, plunge rate, and depth per pass are just kind of something that's generated by Easel itself. If you want to manually input those cut settings, you can do that by selecting, instead of automatic, which is the default, you can select manual, and this will allow you to input different values for the feed rate, the plunge rate, and the depth per pass. This is really useful if, let's say, you're running a carve and you notice maybe your bit is breaking a lot. Being able to change the depth per pass to something slighter typically helps with stress on bits. So that's an important tool to have if you find that you're breaking a specific bit very often. One other thing to note really quickly is when I'm on the automatic cut settings, I'll see this notification that says caution. And that doesn't necessarily mean that the bit combination that you're using and material combination that you're using is not going to work. It's just something that we haven't tested. So you may need to do a little more testing before running the carve. One thing I will also mention is that if you're going to use manual cut settings, I recommend running a test carve just to make sure that I'm also going to article for calculating settings in Easel. Have a wonderful day.